In a quiet little village, a shopkeeper used to buy 1 kilo of butter every day from a poor man who sold milk, curd, and butter. For years, their exchange continued peacefully. But one day, a doubt crept into the shopkeeper's mind. What if the butter is not really 1 kilo? The thought disturbed him so much that he decided to weigh it the next morning. When the poor man arrived with the butter, the shopkeeper secretly placed it on his scale. To his shock, the butter weighed only 900 grams. Filled with anger, he went straight to the village council and complained that the poor man had been cheating him for years. The council questioned the poor man strictly, but the man remained calm and said gently, "I am uneducated. I don't have a proper weighing scale. Every day I simply use the 1 kilo of wheat I buy from the shopkeeper himself. I put that wheat on one side of my scale and measure the butter against it." In that moment, the truth hit everyone. The shopkeeper himself had been giving only 900 grams of wheat, and the poor man had unknowingly returned the exact same weight. Silence filled the room. The shopkeeper realized that he hadn't been cheated. He had only received what he had been giving. Life is a perfect mirror. Whatever we send out, honesty, kindness, effort, or even dishonesty, comes back to us sooner or later. If we give less, we get less. If we give more, we receive more. If we cheat, life will reflect that back. If we act with honesty and goodness, life rewards us in unexpected ways. Your actions are seeds. Your life is the harvest. Choose wisely what you give, because life always returns it.